Welcome to Appointy Tutorials. In this video we're going to talk about the Accounts tab. Now in the Accounts tab you would have the account administrator's details. So when you click on My Profile you would see the account administrator's first name, last name and email address. If you would like to change the email address or the name of the account administrator, this is where you would do that. Now if you change the email address, it will send an email verification. So when I click on update, it'll say an email has been sent, please click the link to change the email address. So when you click the link that you receive in the email of this account would change. If you do not do that, it will still remain the same once you refresh the page. The next tab is Your Business. So while setting up the account, we had asked you for the business details like the business address. If you would like to change any of that, so if you want to change the profession, the business name, the business location, the address, city, state, zip, phone number, or a business description, you can do all of that from here. Now if you're making any changes, make sure that you click on update so that the changes take effect. Now if you scroll further down, you can also add the location name. You can add a business logo which then would be shown on the customer interface and would also be sent out in any and all emails that are sent out to the customers. So all the emails that are sent out to the customers, by default it will have the business logo. If you put in a business logo over here in settings, it will pick up this image and add that to the email. Otherwise it will not have your business logo on the emails. In addition to the business logo, you can also add other images over here. Now when you click on the add photo, you can choose a file or drag and drop it over here. Now there is a size limit, so make sure the images are within the size limit. Now the same goes for the business logo. There is a size limit for the business logo as well. Now under Your Business you have Localization. Now localization is where you would set the time zone for this account. So each account has one base time zone. You can have customers book from multiple time zones, but the staff members and this location would have one single time zone. So you can select the time zone over here, and if you've not selected the correct time zone when you were creating the account, you can change that from over here. You can also change the time formats from 12 hours to 24 hours. You can also change the date format to DDYY and DDMMYY. Then you also have the currency over here. So if you are in UK or if you're in Europe or Canada, you can add the currency from there. Then we have the currency format where you can change over here. Then last but not the least, the customer interface has the option to support multiple languages. Those can be changed. So you would have to set one default language and then you can add additional languages over here. Now if you click on this box over here, it will change the default language. And if you click on the box over here, you can add additional languages over here. Now you can also remove the languages by clicking on the plus sign. So these would be the options that the customer gets when they click on change language on the customer interface. So that's about it for the account tab. See you in the next video.